Hey guys, so it's me here, and I thought that I would expose Ragreynolds because somebody else made an exposed video on him, and I thought it would be funny to share this because Ragreynolds is not who you think he is. He's not being true to himself on YouTube. He's actually a little bit different. Now, you guys might not know this, but I've been talking to Ragreynolds for some time. So we are actually secret best friends, but he's not my first best friend, he's like my second best friend. And me and Ragreynolds are so close. We're like super close. We're so close that he actually made me my own channel on his Discord, okay? And you know what? Like, he keeps trying to deny that we're best friends, or second best friends, because he's just like, he's one of those people who doesn't like to let people see his soft side, okay? So, you know, he's also a little bit jealous of some of my commenters and all that. He's a bit jealous that I'm on other Discords, so he starts attacking other YouTubers that are like, you know, on other Discords, you know? And even then, like, he's so afraid to tell people how much I'm mean to him, to the point where he legit, like, calls me a monster, okay? So he's so afraid to tell people that stuff, that we're really close and really good friends. But it's okay, Ryan. It's okay. We're on first name basis. It's okay, Ryan. Everything's fine. You can just tell people how close we are, okay? Yeah, okay.